Day one of Drift Week is over. Now we're on day two. But I figured I'd do a video for day one. Day one was interesting. So days 1 and 2 were kind of together because I left my house. I drove up to meet up with my co-driver Derek. We drove from there, from his place to Martinsville using his truck because my truck started having issues. And then he had a family emergency, and so in Martinsville where he stayed the night, his wife came and picked him up, and I continued on to New Jersey, up here to Englishtown by myself. So we're here at our Airbnb. We left the cars at the track. We drove Devin Bruce's truck here because he was still working on his car. This is one of the guys, Ian, from Colorado Drift School. Super cool Corvette. We've also got some dudes from Poland that are staying with us at this Airbnb. Super cool dudes. Their cars got stuck on a stacker trailer that got stuck at the track and almost flipped, so we left when they were still sorting that out. I guess maybe we should go and check out some drift footage from yesterday. I only got a couple laps in because I showed up kind of late, but dude, Englishtown is freaking rad, man.
Englishtown Raceway Park. We made it. Well, I made it. Justin to get a feel for the track layout.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
I just got here like an hour ago, and I showed up a little bit too late for all the stuff, so I'm getting the feel for it here from Justin. Now it's my turn to go drive. I'm gonna do a sight lap and then to go do a full lap. I figure since I haven't actually driven it, I should sight lap it, feel it out, and then go do it. Man, my windshield is really dirty. I most definitely need to clean that. right. Oh, that's feeling really good. That's feeling really good. I was a little shallow on the bank. That's because I'm a little scared of the bank at first. Let's do it again. Right there, that's Adam LZ, and he just pulled up next to me. He goes, hey, can I cut in front of you? It's like, yeah, dude, that's no problem. You can go ahead and get up there in tandem with your buddy. So I'm not sweating it. I'm just back here running solo because I'm still, you know, still learning the track. You're good, man. You're good. It feels really good to be able to link the track, essentially, the first run out. Even though I didn't take a very aggressive line, it still felt really, really good, and I'm really happy. So maybe this time I'll go a little more aggressive, get a little higher on the bank, instead of cutting it down shallow like I just did. Oh, that felt good. I still got a little scared on the bank because I dropped it down into second, and I'm wondering if maybe I need to leave it in third and just kind of clutch kick into it, because I just wasn't super aggressive on it there. I think that's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna leave it in third instead of downshifting and that little switchback before coming up to the bank corner. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But it's feeling really, really good. We'll do one or two more, and then we'll go back and check tires and check the car over real quick. Should probably kick the lights on. Actually, this is probably about all the laps I'm gonna get for the day, so I might as well just run as many as I can. That's smart. I need to pull in there and cool off my tires maybe next lap. We're waiting to go. All right, here we go. So sick! Oh, that was fun. Oh, smoked myself out a little bit there. All right, car feels really good. First day of the track, pretty successful. I'm pretty happy. Car felt good for a couple laps, and I have enough tire life to go drive to the Airbnb. So that's what I'm gonna go do now. I'm gonna go drive over to the Airbnb. I'm just like tossing all the stuff in the Corolla because we're gonna leave the truck here, and I'm just gonna take the Corolla to the Airbnb because that's what we're supposed to do anyway. That's the adventure of Drift Week. So